Gonna do my first bike check. Got Colt D-Hart grips, kind of worn out. Eastern brakes, Eastern brake line. Standard bars. Eastern headset. Sunday conductor frame. Got Odyssey race forks. Stolen rims. Kenda Kondak tires. Got Shadow Conspiracy chain wheel. Stolen mob cranks, kind of worn out. Blue half-link chain. Stolen thermite pedals, just ordered these. Got a Shadow Conspiracy seat. Love this seat. Carbon seat post, Sunday seat post clamp. Ombre brakes. That's about it. Love this bike. Never sell it in my life.